Yeah, today we are going to see about how to modify a record by using REST API in REST API Explorer. Okay, so and we will test by using Postman tool also. So now let's go to REST API Explorer. Okay, so here just take modify a record. In left hand side you can see modify a record. Just click on that. So this is the link of HTTP link of modify a record. So in path parameters under table name, let's take the example as incident table. And if you go there, just take incident table. I mean, open the incident table. So once it get opened, let's take one random record from incident table. So just take I think this is false. Okay, let's take which is true. Okay, active is equal to two records. So let's take one random incident record here. So I have taken 0046. Okay, so let's copy the sys and just go to the REST API Explorer and just copy the sys of the record. And if you scroll down, you see the query parameters. Okay, so we will see the query parameters in later video. So I will explain very detail in later video about query parameters for table API. So if you scroll down, you can see request headers. So in request header below request form, we have application JSON and we have taken response format as application JSON and authorization as send as me. So if we scroll down, we can see request body. So under request body, we have raw and builder. Two we have. Okay. So under raw, we can write the manual code, JSON code. If it's very difficult, so to write the code, we can select in builder. Okay. So let's take, we will, now you can see the incident, short description. So let's change the values of short description. Let's take short description and I have taken the value as testing SD. Okay. So now we are going to change the description. So just click on plus and select description and add the description value which we need to going to change. So I have taken testing disk. Okay. So down you can see the JSON format which we have entered there. Okay. So just click on send and just okay. So now in below you can see the HTTP link. So this is HTTP method link for modify a record. So on the status code is 200 okay, which means it's successfully done. And if we scroll down, you can see response body. So this is the JSON code of whole record which we trying to um, change. Okay, so if we scroll down, let's check the description and short description in JSON code whether it's changed or not in response body. So see, we have changed the short description value as testing SD, which we are trying to change, right? And description is testing which we gave the values to change. Yeah, you can see here. So this is the values which we gave and it's changed and it's captured and it's give output in response body. So now we will see how we can change the choice field. Like a state is a choice field, right? So we will check how we can change the choice field. We have changed the string field. Now we will see the choice field. So for choice field, we need to take the backend value. So just click on plus and take state thing. Okay, and integer in the sense the backend value integer we need to give which value we need to change. So on hold we are changing, right? So the value is 3 and down you can see the JSON format as captured and click on send. And if you see the status code, it's okay. It means it's updated. And if you scroll down, you can see the state. Where is the state? Yeah, the state is 3. So that means it has been changed to on hold. From new to on hold, the state has been changed for this incident record. So now we will see how, yeah. So now we got integer, right? Backend value. So now if we need to see how we can change the reference field by using modify record in REST API. Okay, so let's see how we can change the reference field value. Okay, so let's take one record sys So I am taking the Andrew Jackson record in caller field, which is reference field. So I'm just opening the Andrew Jackson record. I'm just copying the sys of this user. I mean this record. So if while after copying the sys of that user thing, so just come here and click color. So I need to change the color, right? So here you need to put the sys After that, just scroll down. So you can see if we refresh the incident, now we have Bud Richmond. So now we are changing to the Andrew Jackson. Okay. So just click on send and click OK. Now you can see the HTTP method link and status code is 200. Okay, and in response body, let's check whether the caller ID has been changed to what we are trying to change, Jackson, right? So let's see the caller ID in response body. So you can see the sys ID which we gave there to change. So now if you go to the incident record, you can see it has been changed to Andrew Jackson. Okay, so now let's see how, um, yeah. So now let's see what is the uses of query parameters. So under query parameters, we have some values, right? So, okay, we will see how we can fetch values by using Postman tool. Okay, so let's take the link. Okay, let's take the link and go there and just paste it. So once you pasted, we have put method, right? Just after put method, just click on send. Okay, so okay, user authentication okay, now you need to put the authorization as basic auth and put username and password to run and go to the body. Okay, under body you can see raw. Just click on raw and here you need to provide the JSON code. Okay, the manual JSON code which we need to change the incident values. Okay, so now let's take the JSON code format from REST API and just paste here. So now we will change what needs to change now. So now what we will change, so description, short description we will change. Okay, so let's try how it will change, and we will try to change category also to hardware, from software to hardware. And okay, let's check how it works. Okay, the short description I have adding postman testing SD and description postman disk. Okay, so here I will put category as hardware. So we have software, right? So now we are changing to hardware. So after changing, so here we are putting hardware. So after that we have caller ID. So we'll take some other value here. So what we can change? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, let's take the service field. Okay, the service field is empty now. So we will take service field background value and let's take one record of service field. So let's select one record from here. I am taking retail. Okay, so just open the retail record and copy the sys ID of the retail under service. So just we have copied the sysid of the retail record and I'm pasting the sysid here. So let's see how it works now. Okay, so this is the description, short description, category, and service field which we have taken to change in that incident record. So let's refresh now. So you can see this is the existing values for category, description, short description, and service fields. Okay, so now we are trying to change the values by using Postman tool. Let's click on send. So now it's run successfully. You can see 200 okay also in below. Okay. So let's check in body whether it has changed or not. Okay. So let's take short description. Short description. Okay, short description. Yeah, Postman tool SD. So it has been changed to incident record and description also changed. And if we scroll down, let's check category and business service where it is. Category and business service. Yeah, business service. So you can see the SysID which we are trying to change the value. And and let's see category. Where is the category? So scroll down. So let's see category. Scroll little bit. Scroll. You can see category at end of the JSON code. Uh, let's scroll. We need yeah. You can see the category has been changed. So that means the response all got changed, and you can see the incident record also captured. Okay. So which we tried to change category, service, short description by using Postman tool. And again, we will see, yeah, this is the thing how we can modify a record by using the REST API in table API by using Postman tool. Okay, yeah, thank you.